Snatch grip complex. Hands should be wide enough where the bar sits in the crease of the hip at standing position. Short 2-inch dip, jump and shrug. Short 2-inch dip. Feet do not leave the ground. Dip, pull the elbows up. Elbows should remain above the bar at all times. Short dip with a slight lean forward. Elbows up, finishing with straight legs. Prop muscle snatch. Elbows lead the way. Bar lined up with the heels when it's over the head. Good reach through the arms, all the way up over the head. Prop muscle snatch. Wide snatch grip RDL. Bow till that bar passes the knee. Hips back, chest over the bar. Snatch grip RDL. Back remains flat. Wide grip, bow. Bar passes the knees. Standing tall. Snatch grip row. Bent over, wide grip. Row till the bar touches the chest. Right below the sternum. Nice flat back. Control. Snatch grip row. Deep squat rotations. Looking up at the hand as you rotate, keeping heels flat, arms around the inside of the legs. If you have trouble keeping your heels down in the deep squat position, you can elevate the feet using weight plates or the edge of a platform. And I always like to do 2 extra on the side that feels more tight.